Circle. So let's learn about circles. This chapter starts from the standard 5th and it is important till the standard 10th. In this part, we're going to see only the introduction part, what the basic part of the circle, what the basic things you have to learn in this circle, what is the important one. First, you can see the definition, the set of the point in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. Equidistant, it means equal distance. It is plane of the circle to equidistance. It is equal distance. So it is called a circle. That's the definition of circle. Circle. See the circle now. Here you can see the center. We taken as point O. Now it is known as center. This line is drawn from the center to the plane of the circle. OA is known as radius. Then we draw another line which is passes from the center to one point to another point. It is B. So the whole line AB is known as diameter. Now you can draw a line apart from the center of the circle. It is within a circle. So that is the point C and point D. It's known as chord of the circle. Center, that is point O. Radius, segment OA. Chord, segment CD. And diameter, segment AB. Then diameter is the largest chord of the circle. This is the important part of this circle. Now, the fixed point is called the center of the circle. This way we can see the definition of the part. The fixed point is called center of circle. Line joining the center of the circle is called radius. A line joining any 2 points on a circle is called chord. Chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter. These are the important definition of the circle: center, radius, chord, and diameter. Now, here you can see the fixed point is called center of the circle. Line joining the center of the circle is called radius of the circle. Line joining any 2 points on a circle is called chord. Chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter. Now, see how to draw circle. Suppose radius equals to 3 centimeter. We use compass to draw the circle. Compass, you know, no? We say that rounder. This is the figure of compass. Now you can see how to draw circle. This way you hold the rounder and pencil, and this way you can rotate it. It's form a circle. So it is known as 3 centimeter of radius. All the radius of the circle are the same length. Now it's a homework for you. You can do the homework, draw circles with the radii given below. That is the 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Draw a circle of any radius. So one diameter, one radius and one chord on that circle. Okay. So till this, the next part we can do the relation of radius and diameter. Okay, then bye bye.